Welcome to our channel Review Your Vehicles. In this video, we'll talk about reviews related to cars, sports cars and luxury cars. Defender and Icon Reborn. The Land Rover Defender boasts over 70 years of off-road excellence, with a legacy starting in 1948. It has sold more than 2 million units worldwide. Born from military origins, its ethos is simple: go anywhere and do anything. Design evolution, rugged yet redefined, right? Iconic silhouette, short overhangs and alpine windows preserved in heritage style. And in modern engineering of Range Rover, D7X aluminum platform used to ensure strength and durability. Quality focus is 170 plus rigorous quality checks in the body construction and the frame. Now we will talk about interior innovation and practically meets luxury, right? Durable materials, woven textiles and ruggedized flooring used in Range Rover cars. Tech integration, 11.4 inches PV Pro touchscreen used in OTA updates of covering 14 plus systems. Exposed structure, structural elements blend with the function inside the cabin of the car. Now we will talk about the unstoppable off-road performance, right? Adaptive suspensions. Independent air suspension is used in the Range Rover cars with adaptive dynamics, adapts to terrain. That terrain responds to configurable system for grip and traction of the surface. Water wading can hold water up to 35.4 inches 90 mm deep, means car can go 90 mm deep in the water while car is moving on the surface. Angles and control, 38% approach, 40% of departure, electronic diff and traction control. Now we will talk about future outlook and electrifications and innovations. The electric launch, Electric Defender planned for 2025 debut. Sustainable focus, increased use of eco-friendly materials and production, right? And the autonomous off-roading are development of self-driving and capabilities in tough terrain. Customizations, broader accessories options for personalizations. Now we will talk about market position in premium adventure, right? Target audience, affluent adventurers and tech-savvy buyers. And the competitive set are competitors like Jeep Wrangler and Mercedes G-Class. And the pricing and the models are start above $70,000, available in 90,110 and 130 body styles. Let's talk about more technology for any terrain, right? Clear side ground view allows driver to see benefit and the hood for obstacles. Let's move to the second point. 3D surround camera provides comprehensive views with weight and sensing capabilities. Now the third point, AWD and transfer box, twin speed transfer box for superior off-road power delivery. Now we will move to the fourth point, control systems in the car. Hill descent control and all-terrain progress control enhance safety. Now the fifth point, towing capacity can tow up to 8,201 lbs, means 3,720 kg. Now we will talk about the modern Defender capability of redefined, right? Heritage means technology, means combining decades of legacy and advanced innovations, and a true icon, trusted symbol of adventure in the 21st century. Ready for anything, capable of tracking any journey on off-road tracking of Range Rover. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe our channel Review Your Vehicles.